today is the 22nd episode of Us Podcast. Yes, go! Let me introduce our guest today. She's a streamer, content creator, and a host. She mostly streams Call of Duty Mobile and Roblox. And her IGN is of Greek origin and means bright, light, shining, gleaming, or white in color. I guess let's not wait any longer. Without further ado, please welcome Madam Luca Love. Let's go!
Hi, hello, good evening, good evening.
Let's start na agad. Let's do an introduction. Introduce yourself to our viewers. Let's go.
So, hi, hello, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are across the world. I am your host, the one and only Luca Love, and I am really, truly honored to be here on Pao Oppas podcast. Thank you so much for inviting me. I am a gamer live streamer, and I had been streaming for almost 5 years, and streaming is life.
Introducing Luca Love. Let's go. So, first name, Fiona G.
Fiona talaga yung real name ko. Then
Okay.
my second name is Jerail, Georail. Georgian Abigail combination of two. So, Fiona Jerail. Fiona
So,
G.
stick na natin sa ganito, Fiona G na lang. Or should we include your last name?
Okay na yan.
Okay na yan. Okay. And next, Luca Love. What is the history of your IGN?
Lok kasi in Dutch, L-E-U-K. Lok is happy. Or nice. So, my mom is Filipina, so she put in an A sa dulo. So, it's read as Lok. So, yan. So, naging Loka. Luluka. Yan. Tapos yung love, wala lang. Love lang. Love lang.
Love lang. Okay, next. Birthday. October 17.
17.
Should we reveal ba the year? Or should we not?
Basta 18 din na lang natin yan.
Okay, sige. Okay, next. Astrological zodiac sign is Libra.
Libra. Yes,
Okay.
correct.
And next, Chinese zodiac sign.
Horse.
Horse. And next, height.
5'6",
5.
168.
And next, weight.
49 kg.
And next, blood type.
O+.
So, nationality, Filipino or may hati ba to?
Filipino.
And motto.
Honesty is the best policy. Motto in life.
Honesty is the best policy. Okay, sige. Honesty is the best policy. Okay.
Or when in doubt, don't.
Oh, when in doubt, don't na lang. Sige. Next, hobbies.
Singing. So,
Singing.
singing with making some art, diamond art.
And next, habit.
I can't live without the candy. Naging habit na siya. Like, kahit saan, sa bag ko meron, anywhere meron.
I
May
can't
candy
live.
everywhere.
And next, TMI.
Habit.
What can you share about what happened today?
Well, nothing happened today, but mostly, I had been waiting for our computer technician to come today, earlier, like around 5, but he didn't come. He said he's on his way now. So, I'm still in the waiting part for the day.
Okay. Next, games or game you play off stream.
Madami. Diablo Immortal.
Okay.
Recently, kahapon lang, I was playing Animal Crossing. And also, Pet Simulator X.
Okay. Most recent game-related purchase.
Sa CODM, I was trying to aim for a skin, but I did not get it. This new gun.
And next, what are your interests these days?
Yun nga, I was actually creating on stream this mini shirt takoyaki restaurant. Something that I've been trying to do the other day. So it's my second day, but I haven't actually finished anything yet because it's so hard to cut. I do have a hard time cutting things. So I'm taking it day by day. Day by day. Day by day. And also, I had been trying to accomplish yung sa Diablo, trying to reach at least level 40 within the week. Level 40. Kasi right now, I'm on 31.
Okay,
And trying to finish the basic storyline in Animal Crossing so that I can actually play with my sister.
Okay. And next,
I'm waiting for a package to arrive related to Pet Simulator X. My aunt had bought me some new eggs related to Pet Simulator X. So I'm waiting for the codes to arrive, and it will be another fun again for me and my viewers to see.
okay, last.
It's also about getting back into podcasting as well. The studio is already okay now. It's on the other side. But I did not actually put myself in there because I know that the computer technician would come in, so I don't want us to, to be bulabog all the way. Like, andun na yung computer technician. Like, okay, so I just move in here. So I am actually trying to go back to podcasting. Most probably will start again on mid-August.
And next, express yourself with a hashtag.
5 hashtags, of course, nakakaloka. Hashtag Eddie wow. Eddie meow, because that's my full expression.
Eddie Mia.
Hashtag ang alat loads. Hashtag nakakaumay. Hashtag wag makulit.
Okay. And next, what do you want to do on the podcast?
I am actually not sure. I'm trying to surprise myself with what you have actually for us today. So,
Okay.
mag-prepare ka na
Okay.
ganun. Sorry.
Unprepared. Okay. And next, lastly, do you know your MBTI type?
What was that?
Okay, MBTI type is Myers-Briggs personality type. If you don't know it, we're going to do it.
Okay, we can do it. It's like I forgot already what am I? If I'm an introvert. Oh, what?
Okay, so
Okay.
first, nice. Let's go and see the result. Let's see what type are you. You are a defender. ISFJA. So here is your profile. So let's move on to our next segment, which is called minigame.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I just made a Fourth Wall page. Fourth Wall helps creators launch their own homepage, shop, memberships, and more, all on their own beautiful, fully branded website. Because of Fourth Wall, I was able to make my own merch and make memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2 up to $10 and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, P class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Fourth Wall page yet, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount when you purchase my merch upon checkout. And enjoy the amazing perks I made just for you guys. Just go to pao-opa-shop.fourthwall.com. That's pao-oppa-shop.fourthwall.com.
So, our mini game for today is called You Look Sus. So, the
Okay,
topic for today, syempre, hindi na tayo lalayo sa topic mo, which is Roblox and Call of Duty Mobile. So, let's go with our first question. What does the name Roblox actually mean?
Robot and blocks, I would say.
Robot and blocks. Final answer, robot and blocks.
Mhm.
Let's see. Yes, sir! It's robot and blocks. Okay, next. Which is not a character in Call of Duty Mobile?
Hindi ko pa nakita si Abigail though. So I'll go for Abigail prior to.
Abigail Briarton. Final answer?
Final answer.
Okay, let's see. No! It's not!
Sabi na
It's
yun.
Dax Shepard. Let's move on to our next question. What is the name of the currency used in Roblox?
It's a Robux. Robux. Robux.
Robux, let's see. Yes, sir! It's Robux. Let's move on to our next question. Which of these is not a map in Call of Duty Mobile?
Crash.
Crash Fire. Okay, let's see. Yes, sir! It's Crash Fire! Let's move on to our next question. How many hats can a character wear at once in Roblox?
I know you can at least wear 3.
3? Let's
Three.
see. Yes! It is 3! Okay, nice. Let's move on
Yes,
to our
yay.
next question. Which is not a weapon in Call of Duty Mobile?
MX3.
MX3! MX3? When do you say MX3?
MX9 ang favorite gun ko. So MX3, wala mo MX3.
Nako, nadali tayo doon. Okay, MX3. Let's see. Yes, it is MX3. Let's move on to
Yes.
our next question. How many people play Roblox every month?
50 million.
50 million. Let's see. No! It is
30 na?
30 million. Let's move on to our next question. Which character has not appeared in a Call of Duty?
I would say soap.
Let's see if it's soap. No! It's
Ayan, mali.
Maestro. Let's move on to our next question. What was the original name of Roblox?
Bot block.
Let's see if it's both blocks. No! It's Dynablocks. Let's move on
Okay.
to our last question. What year was the first Call of Duty game?
2004.
2004. Okay, let's see. No! It was 2003. Let's see what. How well did you do? You got fair. Okay. So let's move on to our next segment, which is called Question and Answer. So first question, how did you become a gamer?
Well, I used to stream a lot in a different app before, and then Facebook actually messaged me if I want to be a gamer. So I said like I will just give it a try first, and then that's the time that I started to stream my games for like 2 years now on Facebook. And then before I used to stream other games on different apps. Like I also stream games. I started to stream games because I was really into esports. So I really believe in esports, and one day I wanted to become one of the best female gamer ever. But that's still a dream in progress for me. So yeah.
Ano yung game na nakapag-ano sa'yo na, uy, gamer na ako?
I would say CODM because like I was invited before by several international teams to play for them, and it lasted for like half a year, and it was quite okay.
And next, what is the first gaming platform or device you owned?
The first one was like Sega, where you can play Aladdin, and that's one of the games that I am really hooked into when I was a kid.
And next, when did you start streaming?
2017,
But
July.
is it like game streaming or other type of streaming?
No, it's a live streaming where you're staying very certain, yes.
And what about the gaming streaming?
2018, the following year.
And next, what is the reason why you're streaming?
Because I love streaming, number one. I enjoyed sharing what I have on my screen or my games as well. I used to actually do coaching, and also I do counseling and guided meditation on audio app. And so one day my friend just suggested like, why won't you try it in the live streaming settings that you do before Facebook? It was actually, you can do any genre, you can do anything as long as it's a content for you. If you think it's a good content, then you can actually present it. And so for the past 2 years I had been doing that, and so I said like, hey, maybe I should just focus on gaming, since gaming is really also one of the things that my audience would like to see on my streams. When I heard about Amplify Academy, I said like, oh yeah, because like I really would like to get into the esports really badly, want to become a gamer. So that's one of the things that I am still trying to work on.
And next, what are your streaming goals for this year?
Well, actually, I am trying to rank up as much as possible as I can. At least get into 5 legendaries on CODM. Because like right now, I am running on 2. And for BR, I am like on the 4th already. So I'm working on my legendary tag for at least 6 legendary tag for this year. So I am really grinding every day to get into the legendary for every season. So I'm still working on 4 more for MP. Yes.
So ako may tanong ako. Do you have a team for CODM already?
Yes, I do.
Esports team?
Underground. Yes, an underground gaming.
And you are all female?
No, we're not. We are not. We halo-halo na shit. Halo-halo na sila. I used to have a team before, but hindi na, wala na. Like we have already.
So parang huli kong nakita sa rank mo is you are in the highest rank na sa CODM.
Grandmaster 5 for CODM MP, but on BR already legendary 5,000.
So I'll give you this moment to shine. If you can show any hidden talent.
Hidden talent? My gosh. Pagkakanta. I mean, I can sing though. Like, you can reach me by railway. You can reach me by trailway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can jump on a speedy coat. Place a quarter in a blaze of road. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains between us. Always something to look over. And that's it.
Wow! Okay. Ganda pala boses ni Madam eh. So yun yung ano mo, di ba? Yan yung unang ginagawa mo, which is singing live stream.
Yes. Yes.
So you
Singing
take requests?
I do take a lot of requests. I even prepare for their requests. And it's like I always have a show when I do live streaming before. Talagang show talaga siya, like song, dance, and etc. And so any request my sets, minsan on an ordinary day I would take in request 10 songs for first set, second set, and third set. So actually I've been singing for like I had worked abroad in Singapore before as a singer, and I finished my contract there as a singer. Then I went back here. I was a singer as well. I had backup singing for some artists like Michael Johnson. I have been singing for since 2 decades already of my life.
Okay, so that was it for her hidden talent. Ganda boses, mga dudes. Sana all maganda boses. So let's move on to our next segment, which is called
Yay.
10 Picks, One Word. Okay, so let's start. Okay. One word, one word.
I don't know. Samurai X. Samurai X.
Next.
Valhalla. Guessing Valhalla.
Okay.
Crash Bandicoot.
One word.
Crash Bandicoot. Crash Bandicoot fun. Crash Bandicoot fun.
Okay.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
FPS.
FPS.
Fun.
Fun.
Adventure.
Adventure.
Fast.
Fast.
Super fast.
Super fast. Super fast.
Kiddie time. Kiddie playtime.
Easy. Okay. So
Yay.
let's move on to our segment, which is called Fast Talk.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I also made the Buy Me a Coffee page. Buy Me a Coffee is the best way for creators and artists to accept support and memberships from their fans. Because of Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to make my memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2, up to $10, and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, B class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Buy Me a Coffee page, go and join now, and you'll have a merch discount code when you purchase a merch on my Fourth Wall page. And you can use that upon checkout and enjoy the amazing perks I made just for you guys. Just go to buymeacoffee.com/paoppa. That's buymeacoffee.com/PAOPPA.
So, are you ready?
Ready.
Timer starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Luigi.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Controller.
Dream game night guest. Sino gusto makasama pag nilalaro?
Sino si Jaime?
First video game you owned?
First video game I owned?
Mm.
Sega. Video game Sega.
Video
Aladdin.
game? Aladdin. Who's your favorite streamer?
Aloja.
What's your most played game?
CODM.
What's a game you truly suck at?
Wild Rift.
What's your go-to snack when playing?
Lace.
Huh?
Lace.
Lace.
Lays.
In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
A championship award.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And thank you so much for having me here on your show, Paopa. Thank you guys so much. I am live almost every day, Monday to Friday from 5:30 a.m. Eastern onwards. And also I do have a 10:30 a.m. Eastern to those who are in the US and 3 p.m. Philippine time onwards up to 6 p.m. Eastern. So I am live almost every day, Monday to Sunday. You can catch me live on Facebook Gaming. I play Roblox every day, 5:30 p.m., 5:30 a.m. Eastern to those who are in the US. I give away a lot of stuff, so you can actually just join us every day, 5:30 p.m. And that's it.
So that was it for our podcast tonight. Thank you so much, Miss Locola. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on our streams. Let's go.